Once you are logged into your account, at the top you will see the menus for the different sections that you can manage your account with. Beneath that, you will see different icons that take you to different areas of your account. As you scroll down, you will see different sections that tell you different information about your account. At the bottom, you can check your invoices and your domains and other relevant information that pertains to your account. Log into your cPanel will take you where you can manage all aspects of the back end of your web hosting account.